On record with Jalen Foster, inquiry, Tallahassee PD, case number 16-017891. How are you, Jalen?
Great.
State your first and last name for the record, please.
Jalen Foster.
Now spell your first name.
J-A-L-E-N.
And spell your last name for me.
For S-T-R.
And date of birth, Jalen.
02-497.
And what's your address, Jalen?
17 Key Street.
And that's here in Tallahassee, right?
Yeah.
And is that, you guys just had an incident, 1700 Key Street?
Yeah.
And that's, you had a relative that got killed over there, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
And that's Tavares Bass.
Yeah.
That's what I'm here to talk to you about, Jalen. We're trying to find out who killed your cousin, why they killed your cousin, and bring them to justice and get justice for your family. What can you tell me about that homicide?
I'm not here about to talk about none of that, bro. I'm trying to see if I can get a bun. I'm trying to go to the county, bro. I'm trying to get out of my head and talk about none of that shit, bro.
I'll get you over to the jail. You can get your bond, you can get your cot. Typically, I don't even think you can get a bond today. You may have to go before the judge first. You do have a VOP, correct? I think. I'm hearing that you violated the terms of your pre-trial. So don't be so anxious about a bond right now. You have a loitering and prowling, burglar of a structure. Here you are you stealing baseball bats, or are you using baseball bats to make entry?
I ain't doing neither one.
Okay, well, I'm not here to talk to you about that anyways, though. So, Tavares Bass, that's your cousin. He gets gunned down at your house. So, of course, we have to reach out, we have to talk to you. Talk to some of your other family members, other witnesses, just trying to get to the bottom of it. Like I said, we're trying to get justice for your family. Let me give you another name here. DeAndre Wiggins. That name ring a bell?
Shit, not in my head.
How about Wig?
Shit, I don't know.
So you don't know DeAndre Wiggins, you don't know Wig.
I'm trying to get my lawyer. I'm trying to go to the jailhouse, bro. I'm not even supposed to be up here. Truth be told, I'm trying
Let's do this. Pass me that quarter. Pass me that quarter 85. Jalen, you know the individual depicted in that photo?
I don't know that man.
Have you ever seen that individual? Never seen him a day in your life. That's a lie. That's a bold-faced lie.
How you gonna tell me what I know?
James Foster. Who's that?
What? Yeah, my dad.
Do you lie to your dad?
Lie about what? Lie about.
What if I told you your dad has already advised us that you told him that you and Wiggins had an altercation in Frenchtown? Would your dad be a liar? Did we go arrest you? Did we go arrest your dad?
Even if my dad told you something like that, which my dad probably never even told you that.
How would I know?
Shit, man, shit, I don't know, shit, y'all, man. What do anything, all this got to do with a murder, like, with my cousin, like, that shit just, you know what I'm saying?
What has to do with murder?
It got to do with a murder.
Is it retaliation, you tell me?
Shit, y'all, really, you got all the questions, yeah, you want to know, you asking me.
Does the altercation in Frenchtown have anything to do with the murder?
None of this ain't got nothing to do with bro. I don't even know what y'all doing, bro. I don't know what y'all doing, bro. I'm trying to just go to the jailhouse, get my lawyer, That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, not trying to do none of this.
But so you want me to believe that your cousin getting killed doesn't have anything to do with the altercation in Frenchtown?
No.
It's not revenge retaliation. You don't think so?
Nothing. None of this you talking about got nothing to do with no murder. Like, what they got? Ain't got nothing to do with no murder.
Maybe gang activity.
Not in the gang.
You're not a member of the Southside?
I'm not from nowhere. I don't claim that.
Let me tell you what I know. Because I see that you obviously don't respect my intelligence, or you don't respect our intelligence here. You and Wiggins had an altercation in Frenchtown because you're in Southside visiting what's this young lady? Miss Hill. You know Miss Hill? Latavia Hill?
Latavia?
Pronounce it again?
Latavia.
Latavia Hill. So you do know who that is?
Oh, girl, but she gotta do anything.
Did you ever visit her in Frenchtown and Mr. Wiggins confront you about being over there?
Man, I'm trying to go to the jailhouse, man. I'm not trying to do none of that. Or don't ask for a lawyer, all of that, man. I'm trying. I got other cases to be handling, man. This ain't got.
So you're not supposed to be in Northside? Well, I already know that. So why are you let me ask you, do you own an AK-47?
I'm a veteran. I don't involve myself with guns.
You don't involve yourself with guns?
No.
So if somebody told me that you pulled an AK-47 on Mr. Wiggins in his turf in Northside, you tell me that person would be lying to me?
Yeah, I don't talk guns.
You know what perjury is, Mr. Foster? You don't know what perjury is? Perjury is pretty much giving false information, impeding investigation, false information to a law enforcement officer. That's perjury. That's one of the things we see that you haven't been charged with at this point. What's your criminal history, Mr. Foster?
A couple of robbery charges, shit, some shit.
A couple?
Two of a couple.
And an attempted robbery, right?
Wasn't charged with it.
You weren't charged with that?
Nah.
You were arrested for it?
I wasn't charged though.
Grand theft, possession of a firearm. Then you got the, what you got here? What's your VOP now, burger? Lord and Prowling. Facing a lot of time.
I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to go to the jail. Why the hell I'm staying? I'm not trying to stay here.
Okay. You know they said early bird get the worm. You may think that I don't understand what's going on here. You may think that I don't know the connection between what happened in Frenchtown and what happened over there on Keith Street. But people are telling us what's going on, and we're gonna piece it together. And if you want to be the guy who wants to make it difficult, I understand that you'll be the guy who ends up on what they call the shitty end of the stick. You ever heard that term?
I'm trying to slide. Being here is irrelevant.
It's not irrelevant if you contributed to the murder of your own cousin.
Contribute to nothing.
Or your gang activity contributed to.
It'd be different if I was in the game.
So you say.
Not in the game.
But we're gonna get witnesses who are gonna get up on the witness stand and they're gonna say that you were part of the Northside gang.
Y'all got it all figured out.
We're gonna get witnesses who are gonna get on the stand and say that you pulled an AK-47 on Mr. Wiggins. You understand that, right?
I'm trying to go to the jailhouse.
Do you understand that?
Well, I'm trying to go to the jailhouse, man.
But you understand, witnesses gonna get on the stand.
Man, I understand what you're saying, but I'm trying to go to the jail.
But you don't care about that.
I don't, man. I'm trying to go to the jailhouse. I got other charges I'm fighting.
Okay. And then you got a brother. Who's the brother you had with you when you pulled the AK-47?
I'm trying to go to the jailhouse, bro. I already asked for a lawyer a million times.
Okay, I can understand that, and we're gonna get you over there, like I said. But let me, what are you gonna say when you get in court and you facing charges, very serious charges, for pulling an AK-47 out on Mr. Wiggins?
Self-defense, yeah. What else I'm gonna say?
Self-defense. Okay. All right. That don't sound like it's gonna work to me, Mr. Foster. But I'll let you take your charges and chances on that. You own a vehicle?
I got no car.
No car. Okay. Let me run some, 1 second here. So you do know Miss Hill? And, I mean, you can say that, you can tell me you don't know, you've identified Mr. That is Mr. Wiggins, right? Wiggins.
That's a picture. Yeah, you know boy, I know.
Okay. If you know self-defense, then of course you can't defend yourself against yourself. Are you defending yourself against Mr. Wiggins there, Mr. Wig? Now I mean self-defense, I don't know. You may have a chance with that. Let me ask you another question. Let me 1 second here. Run some names by you here. So James Foster is your father?
Right.
No, Rayshawn Foster?
My brother.
Destiny Foster? Okay. Rachel Foster. How much about Rachel Foster? Yeah.
That's my brother.
And then I got it, Grady Jefferson. And all of them stay on Key Street, right at the house where your cousin got killed.
Right.
Do you want to know who killed your cousin?
I'm just trying to go to the jail, man. I got my own case in this fight right now.
Do you care that we find out and bring you?
Shit, that's our fault.
What would your family think if they hear you talking like this? So you don't really care who killed your cousin?
I'm not even supposed to be here. I ain't saying I don't care about my cousin. I'm just saying I'm not supposed to be here.
Especially when
Yeah, I put over here for violation of probation. I shouldn't even be here. I just want my lawyer. I want my lawyer, bro. I want to go to the jailhouse.
alright. Do you have a lawyer?
No.
You don't have a lawyer. Alright. The good thing in the United States is if you don't have a lawyer, of course, one will be appointed. Alright. I'm going to conclude this interview. Let me go ahead out here and get Miss Robinson. I guess they can transfer you over to the book. They're coming over to take care of now. Just keep in mind, Mr. Foster, if you ever want to reach out to me, you know how to get to me. So we're trying to just get justice for your family. I hope you would appreciate that and respect that. I do wish you the best on the outcome of the charges you got there.